Indian Constitution consists of A. 300 articles, B. 350 articles, C. More than 400 articles, D. 500 articles. Ans. C. There were originally how many articles in the Constitution of India? A. 420, B. 380, C. 395, D. 270. Ans. C. How many parts, articles and schedules were there in the original Indian Constitution? A. 22 parts, 395 articles and 8 schedules. B. 24 parts, 450 articles and 12 schedules. C. 22 parts, 390 articles and 8 schedules. D. 24 parts, 425 articles and 12 schedules. Ans. A. The Indian Constitution comprises of A. 395 articles, 22 parts and 12 schedules. B. 371 articles, 21 parts and 11 schedules. C. 372 articles, 20 parts and 7 schedules. D. 381 articles, 23 parts and 8 schedules. Ans. A. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. List I. List I. A. Formation of new states 1. Part 2 of the Constitution of India. B. Citizenship 2. Art 3 of the Constitution of India. C. Fundamental Rights 3. Art 323A of the Constitution of India. D. Setting of Administrative Tribunals 4. Part 3 of the Constitution of India. Code ABCD. A. 2 1 4 3. B. 1 2 3 4. C. 3 4 1 2. D. 4 2 2 3. Ans. A. The provision that no bill imposing tax can be introduced in the legislature except on the recommendation of the President is covered in the Constitution of India under A. Article 117. B. Article 266. C. Article 306. D. Article 307. Ans. A. Special provision regarding financial bills is given under A. Article 117. B. Article 119. C. Article 121. D. Article 123. Ans. A. Which one of the following articles of the Indian Constitution provides for all Indian services? A. Article 310. B. Article 311. C. Article 312. D. Article 313. Ans. C. Which one of the following pairs, institutions and articles of the Constitution, is properly matched? A. Supreme Court of India Article 318. B. Election Commission of India Article 324. C. Union Public Service Commission Article 332. D. Attorney General Article 351. Ans. B. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? A. Article 39A Equal Justice and Free Legal Aid. B. Article 40 Organization of Village Panchayats. C. Article 44 Uniform Civil Code. D. Article 48 Separation of Judiciary from Executive. Ans. D. Match List I and List 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the lists. List I, List 2. Article of the Constitution, Subject A. 124, 1. Union Judiciary. B. 5, 2. Citizenship. C. 352, 3. Emergency Provisions. D. 245, 4. Distribution of Legislative Powers. Code ABCD. A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. 2, 1, 4, 3. C. 4, 3, 2, 1. D. 3, 4, 1, 2. Ans. A. Match List I with List 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the list. List I, List 2. A. Article 14, 1. Amendment Procedure. B. Article 36, 2. Council of Ministers. C. Article 74, 3. Right to Equality. D. Article 368, 4. Directive Principles. Code ABCD. A. 2, 1, 4, 3. B. 4, 1, 3, 2. C. 1, 2, 3, 4. D. 3, 4, 2, 1. Ans. D. Match List I with List 2 and select your correct answer using the code given below the lists. List I, List I. A. To admit new state by law 1. Article 14. B. The right to equality 2. Article 2. C. Protection against arrest 3. Article 111 and detention. D. The power of the 4. Article 22 President to assent the bill. Code ABCD. A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. 2, 1, 4, 3. C. 3, 4, 2, 1. D. 4, 3, 1, 2. Ans. B.